Let's go! Bitcoin is still at a critical point right now. So if you're holding Bitcoin, if you're holding Ethereum, Cardano, you need to watch this video. We're talking about crypto in general, and things are just becoming weirder and weirder. I don't know what this guy has been smoking, but you need to watch this video, guys. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Cristiano, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day. And hey, a big shout out to everyone who supported me on these videos yesterday. There was a lot of things going on, and especially this video, a lot of people seem to appreciate me actually revealing what I think is going on here, and that this is a coordinated attack on Bitcoin. So if you haven't watched this video, I do urge you to go back and actually watch it. But if you are new to this channel, guys, my name is Cristiano, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money. Okay, let's talk about Bitcoin. And so we did see a big dump yesterday. I mean, we went down, but if there's one thing we knew this, it is that the orange box, and especially the orange line of the orange box, was always going to support the Bitcoin price. We could pretty much, you should never bet the farm on anything, but, this is just one of those things that always, I mean, with 100% accuracy. So far, sometimes it is probably like, this is going to be wrong in the future sometimes, but so far, I mean, it has been absolutely flawless, these orange boxes. But here's the thing, now it has supported us. And what we talked about in yesterday's video is that there's actually a chance, and then the Bitcoin price was down here, that there is a chance that on the daily, we are just going to have a ridiculous candle and we are not going to close below this. And this is how it's looking on the 1 day. So yeah, definitely a very ridiculous candle here, and now closing above the orange line. So a lot of people panicked yesterday, a lot of people sold. There was actually people who sold here at $45,000. So that's too bad. You need to pay attention to this orange box. So if you are not subscribed to this channel and you were not aware of this box, make sure to subscribe right now. But let's talk about what's next. Okay, so first things first, this orange box is not going to be able to hold for, an eternity. If they continue throwing FUD at Bitcoin and people continue to sell, I mean, obviously this is not going to hold, but this is still going to be very strong. I mean, this is very strong, and it's going to take a lot for us to break down below this level. And then we got another pretty close actually here at 41,000, well, right above $42,000 actually. So if we look at this pattern itself, this is not a bullish formation. So you have a downtrend, and then you have kind of like a small little, okay, let me show that on another chart. So you have a little bit of a potential bear flag like this, okay? So you have this formation, and this is not a very bullish pattern. So this pattern itself is bearish, but what's good for us is, just like I said, we have the orange box here, which is going to be a very, very good ally if they come at us with more FUD, because this is still going to be very strong. But what else do we have? Of course, we still have the weekly moving average and the 21 EMA here on the weekly time frame. This is going to once again support us if we are going to have another big dump here on Bitcoin. So to summarize this level right here, this is still going to be strong, but it is not going to be strong forever. So take that information and do whatever you want. But yeah, next up, we also have the moving averages we need to get above. So the moving averages on the 4-hourly time frame are way above here. So this is going to be a bit of a struggle to get above. You can see there's actually a bit of room here left until we actually test these on the upside. So this is what you need to pay attention to as well. On the daily time frame, we also have the 50, we have the 50 up here and the 100 moving average. So these are also going to be resistances on the way up. So pay attention to those. Going back to the 4-hourly, what is the Lux algo telling us? Flipping on the Lux algo, it on the 4-hourly time frame, you can see that we are still inside of the cloud, but we are right now just getting above it. So we're definitely seeing the price react to the green cloud here, and we're having nice little upwards movements here. But for how long are we going to see this? That is of course the question. So let me take away all of this. Let me take away the Lux Algo. Let me go to this chart right here, because people were talking about an head and shoulders pattern forming like this. And you know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of what we saw at $30,000. For those of you who were around at $30,000, let me show you. Let me go back a bit through history here. So right here at $30,000, people were saying that we were going to form an head and shoulders here, and that we were going to go down, and we were going to crash down to like $15,000. Hey, let me know down in the comment section if you were around then, so you can see the potential head and shoulders like this. And I said that there's no way, because this orange box, I had a similar orange box to what I have right now. So this orange box was here, and this was even stronger than the box we currently have. I even put a red line here to just solidify that this is not going to, the price is not going to crash below this price. And you can see how many times this actually acted as support here, and we were playing this. I mean, we were buying here every single time. We were buying, we were taking profit at the top, buying, taking profit here, buying, taking profit, and then it continued, and then we went up. So I am anticipating something similar, which you saw here at this box. I'm anticipating something similar with this current price action. Actually, you can already see how many times this has actually been supporting us right now. Now, as I said, depending on what they are going to throw at us, it is not going to hold forever, but for now, this is a very, very strong level to watch. And guys, before we continue and talk about Ethereum, if you want to get $2,000 for free over on Femex, you're able to do so using this link right here. This is for new and existing customers. So make sure to use this link if you want to get that. Also apply as a translator if you want to go full-time crypto. You got 20% discount on the Lux Algo. Okay, let's jump over to Ethereum. And on Ethereum, you have this orange box down here. So this is going to act as a very strong support if we are going to get down here. But overall, what we've been talking about is that we were expecting Ethereum to have a bit of a cool down period, and especially once we were getting into the red cloud here on the Lux Algo, this was going to reject the price. This was going to be some resistance to break through, and yeah, we are having that breather on Ethereum, so that's good to see. Now a bit more consolidation before even more upside for Ethereum. Cardano is doing really well. We were expecting a big pump up to $2 on Cardano, and we did see that. We were, I don't know, 2 cents off $2 here. So I consider that target reached. And you can see that, yeah, buying off of the orange box right here, you are right now sitting at 30% in profit. So with a 10x leverage, of course, 300%, completely insane. And you can trade Cardano, guys, both on Bybit and also on Femex. So yeah, if you want to do that, just be careful. There's a lot of volatility in the market right now. But expect some resistance here at $2. Now, let's talk about Elon Musk, because this is just insane. So he said, to be clear, I strongly believe in crypto, but it can't drive a massive increase in fossil fuel, especially coal. And then working with Doge developers to improve system transaction efficiency, potentially promising. So this is just crazy. I mean, Dogecoin is a joke. I don't even know who are these developers who are actively developing on Dogecoin right now. So he's going to work with them. And, you know, you got the whales, like everything I talked about in this video right here. They cannot accept Dogecoin. I mean, at this point, I just think that Elon Musk is making the crypto space his own personal playground. I mean, wrecking people and then posting this picture, don't panic. I just think that he has been smoking too much herbs. I think that he has, you know, too much. He wants excitement, and this is just what he does, and it's a shame. Now, the Dogecoin creator, Jackson Palmer, so he went into, you know, he's not public, but he went out and actually posted this. Elon Musk is and always will be a self-absorbed grifter. So removing this in 1 minute, and then also the cherry on top, The Saturday Night Live episode was cringe. So this is really interesting, guys. He's coming out just to say that. But you know, it's really a shame the stuff that's happening right now, because it's very obvious he's just making the crypto space, unless he has something bigger planned for this, which we don't have the insight, and it's all going to work out. Like, just don't panic. It's going to work out in the end. But at this point, there's just too much. And I think he's making crypto his own personal playground. And yeah, it's sad to see that, actually. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know down in the comment section, and I will see you in the next one.